Hi friends, this is Gautam from Zendalona, welcoming you to the Accessible Coconut tutorial series. File Management Basics Part 4. This is Part 4 of File Management Basics in Accessible Coconut tutorial series. In this video, let us examine some of the most basic file management operations like creating folders, copying and moving files, etc. First, let us create a folder. For that, we can press the key combination Ctrl, Shift and N at the location in which we need to create the folder. Now we are inside the pictures folder. We can try that key combination.
Left Control, Left Shift, N, Untitled folder, Untitled folder text, Untitled folder selected.
Just as Orca announced, Kaja will automatically name the new folder as Untitled. And we can type the desired name and press Enter key to complete the action. Here, let's name the folder as Image Storage.
IMAGE_STORAGE. Return icon user items.
Now we have created a new folder. Next, let us examine how we can copy a file. For example, assume that we need to copy a file from the music folder and paste it on desktop. For that, let's select the file from the music folder and press Ctrl and C, which is the key combination for copying.
Music icon U, wellscreen.mp3 audio 2 of 3.
Let's copy this file.
Left Control C, copied selection to clipboard.
Now let us go to the desktop, which is where we are going to paste the file we have just copied. Once we are inside the desktop or wherever we want to paste the file, we can press the key combination for pasting, which is Ctrl and V.
Left Control V. Pasted contents from clipboard. Wellscreen.mp3 audio 3 of 4.
Now that file is pasted on the desktop. This is how we copy and paste the needed file or folder. Like this, we can use the key combination Ctrl and X for cutting and Ctrl and V for pasting. This moves the file or folder from one location to another. Cutting and pasting is not recommended when moving important data because a power issue or any other issues can result in loss of data, which is very common while moving files to external storage medium. So, it's better to copy, paste and delete the file after confirming that it has reached the destination. Now, to delete files or folders, we can select the needed item and press delete. We are inside the music folder and let's delete the file available there.
Wellscreen.mp3 audio delete.
When we do this, the deleted file go to trash folder and can be restored. But if we use the key combination Shift Delete, the selected file or folder will get deleted permanently. To restore a deleted file from trash, we have to open trash folder from desktop. To do that, we have to access desktop by using the key combination Alt, Ctrl and D.
Left Alt, Left Control, Desktop, Linux tombstone icon.
Now, we can reach the trash folder by navigating using the down arrow key.
User dash type folder. Turn screen dash reader on or off desktop trash icon. 2 of 4.
We can open the trash folder.
Return trash frame. Icon use your items.
Here, we can select the needed file from the trash folder by navigating with the arrow keys. Now, to restore the needed file, we can select it and access the context menu by pressing the key combination Shift F10.
Well screen.mp3 audio. Right shift. M menu.
From the context menu, we can select the restore option and press enter key.
Properties. Sign. Encrypt. Send to restore. R. 17 of 20 return. Trash frame. Icon use your items.
Now the selected file will be restored on the location from where we deleted it. So if we are deleting some item to free space, we should remove them from the trash too or use Shift Delete. Now let us examine how we can estimate the size and size on disk of a file or folder. The size of a file refers to the total amount of data it contains, while the size on disk represents the space it occupies on the storage device, accounting for how the computer organizes and stores that data efficiently. To check the size and size on disk of a file or folder, we have to access the Properties dialog box. To go into the Properties dialog box, we can select the item and access the context menu. Properties is listed inside the context menu.
Music. Icon U. Well screen.mp3 audio. 1 of 1. Right shift. F menu.
On the context menu, we can navigate to the Properties option and press enter to open the Properties dialog box. Properties option is available on the first up arrow key on the context menu.
Properties. P. 33 of 33. Return. Well screen.mp3 properties dialog. Basic page tab. 1 of 9. Name colon. Text. Well screen.mp3 selected. Alt+N.
We are on the Properties dialog and it got many pages. When we open the Properties window, at first we are on the first page, that is the basic page, and inside the first page there are many details regarding the properties of the item selected. We can use the tab key to know the properties like type, size, size on disk, etc.
Tab. Type colon. Tab. Size colon. 33.6 KB left paren. Tab. Size on disk colon. 36.9 KB left paren. 36,864 bytes right paren. Selected label.
We got many details like this in the Properties dialog, and we will talk about that in detail in another segment. Now let us examine how we can safely remove or eject an external drive. Safely ejecting a USB pen drive or any external storage device before physically unplugging it from the computer is generally recommended to avoid potential issues like data loss or corruption. The option to safely remove an external drive like a pen drive or an external hard disk is available on the context menu. To access the external drive, we can go to the desktop by pressing the key combination Alt, Ctrl and D.
Left Alt. Left Control. Desktop. Icon U.
Then we can access the device by typing the first letter or first few letters of the device name. Here, let's type S since the name of our device starts with S.
S. Sapphire 1 icon. 3 of 5.
Alternatively, we can use up and down arrow keys to navigate through and select the device.
Linux 2 Stone I. User dash type. Turn screen dash trash icon. Sapphire 1 icon.
After selecting the device, we can access the context menu and navigate with up arrow key to reach the eject option.
Right shift. Left menu. Properties. Eject. E. 27 of 34.
Once we press enter key on the option, Orca will announce that it is now safe to remove the device.
Return. Notification: it is now safe to remove the live desktop. Linux tombstone icon. 3 of 4 not selected.
Then, we can physically unplug the device from the system. If there are any suggestions or doubts regarding the contents of this video, please leave a comment. Thank you.